Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I posted a new video. My last one I did was a Halloween look. So that's how long it's been, but I have missed it so much and I didn't realize just how much until I sat down and started filming. So I'm ready to get back into the swing of things and I'm going to try and get back to posting a new video once a week. So this is actually the look that I wore for New Year's Eve. I was planning on filming a Christmas and a New Year's Eve look, but we see how that turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start off by using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance drops for my primer. Today for foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation, and I actually like the Tarte Amazonian Clay Stick Foundation better. I have noticed that it lasts on my skin longer, but I am out of my shade, so I'm going to have to get some more. Next, I am using my most favorite concealer ever. It is Shape Tape by Tarte. How excited are y'all about the Shape Tape foundation? I cannot wait to try it. Now I'm just going to set everything with a translucent powder. For my brows today, I'm going to be using Cabral by Benefit, and I usually switch between this and the Tarte Amazonian Clay Brow Mousse. I love them both. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Bronzer in the shade Park Avenue Princess. And let's ignore how bad I need to wash my brush. I pretty much love anything by Tarte, but I especially love their blushes because they are also made with Amazonian clay, so that means they are going to last for 12 hours or more. So they do truly last all day. And this is the shade Glisten. So y'all know I'm extra and have to wear two different highlighters. So I'm starting off with the Becca Light Chaser highlighter in the shade Champagne Dream Flashes Bellini. And then I'm going in with, surprise, another Tarte product, their new Hamptons Weekender Contour Palette. First, I lay my waterline with a black liner. Now I'm going in with one of the Tarte holiday palettes. This one was at Sephora. It is called Hidden Treasures. And I'm starting off with a shade Whirl and putting this above my crease and blending it up. Now for my crease, I am taking the shade Cloud 9. For my lid, I'm going to start off with the shade Bizarre and put this all over, and then I'm going to take one of the Tarte Clay Pot waterproof liners in the shade Rose Gold and go right on top of it. For my lower lash line, I'm taking those same two shades I use in my crease, Whirl and Cloud 9. Now for the outer corner, I am mixing the shades Scenic and Palace and placing that on the outer corner and blending it up in my crease. And I'm also going to put that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Now I'm going back in with that rose gold liner and placing it on the inner corners of my eye. I have eyelash extensions so I don't have to put mascara on my top lashes, but I'm still going to put some on my bottom lashes. So I am using my favorite mascara, which is the Tarteist Lash Paint. I'm going to finish off the look with a lipstick from MAC. This one is Velvet Teddy, and then after that I'm going in with one of the lip toppers from Tarte. This one was from their holiday collection in the shade Tinsel. They just came out with two new ones, a bronzy one and a rose gold, which I love wearing whenever I wear this eyeshadow. So that completes this look. I hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I hope y'all had a wonderful holiday season. And I hope your new year is off to a great start. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching. And until next time, bye y'all.